Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mariam and today we're doing a glam with me Emirates cabin crew tutorial makeup. I've perfected my makeup tutorial over the 2 years, and I don't remember the last time I filmed a get ready with me, and I always use different products and different techniques. Welcome to this Emirates cabin crew makeup tutorial. I already used the hydration cream, and the first step is the concealer. This concealer is from Rimmel London, and I get a lighter shade for my skin because I like a light under eye. For my eyelids, I don't put extra product because you don't need extra product for the eyelids. With whatever left on the brush, you just put it on. The same goes for around the nose. The next thing I'm doing is the eyebrows. I use the gel from Benefit. If you use it too much, it will cause your eyebrows to fall. So I try to use it only when I want to do a perfect makeup. But for my usual makeup, I only brush them up. I prefer a more softer makeup on my daily makeup. Then I proceed with this teeny weeny eyebrow pencil. I just do the contouring from top and bottom. For foundation, I use the Charlotte Tilbury foundation, and for the brush, I use the Rare Beauty foundation brush. I believe that you invest in the brushes. It's a little bit expensive for a brush, but it's good. I don't know if it's worth the money or not, but sometimes when I'm washing it, I can see some hair falling out. This foundation is a little bit darker than my actual shade, so after I put it, I added a little bit more concealer. I did a reverse contouring with it, a little bit under my eye and a little bit on my jaw. Then I used the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom powder. I love it. It smells so good. I used to use the Givenchy Libre powder, but I prefer this one. They recently changed the formula of the Libre powder, and I should say that the old formula is way better. With the excess of the powder, whatever I still have on the brush, I do my forehead and around my nose. I usually do the liquid blush before my powder, but I forgot it. It's alright, you still can do it, because I don't put powder on top of my cheeks. I use the Saie Beauty liquid blush, and this is one of my favorite blushes. I'm planning to buy 2 other blushes. I don't know which one I should get first. It's either the Hailey Bieber blush or the Rare Beauty blush. That's funny. Both of them, they have an amazing blush, and you know, Hailey Bieber and Selena Gomez. But I love Selena Gomez. I don't know which side you guys are on. I love Selena. For the eyes today, I'm going with this light eyeshadow just as a base. I usually do a brown eyeshadow. Today we will be doing an eyeliner with the eyeshadow. I got interrupted by a call and I thought I was late, so thank God I was not. I just wanted to make sure that I am awake. We go back to makeup. For the eyeliner, I'm starting with light brown just to do the inner corner and to trace the eyeliner. Then I'm taking a slightly darker brown to do the wings with it. The lip liners, I use two lip liners. One is red, it's from Lilla, and one is dark brown from Saie. These are two Tunisian brands. I do a full contour with a red lip liner. Then I take the dark brown just to line my lips from top and bottom. It gives a beautiful shade to the lipstick. For the lipstick, I chose to use the Flormar Kiss Me More. Flormar is a Turkish brand. I don't know if you can find it anywhere else, but we had it in Tunisia and I know they have it in Morocco. And soon I will be introducing to my makeup routine a new lipstick from Lilla. I saw one Tunisian girl using it and I loved it. I told my mom to buy me one and send it to me. For mascara, I recently started to use brown mascara. I use these two mascaras, one for volume and one for length. The Sky High Mascara is for length, and for volume we're using, I think this is the name, 4HD, and it's from Clarins. That's the full makeup look. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. I love you. Bye bye.